If every single routine failed you in 2025, this video is for you. And no, I'm not talking about those perfect girls who wake up at 5 a.m., drink lemon water, and somehow have their whole life together. I'm talking about the real you. The messy room. The unfinished goals. The girl who says every single Sunday night, okay, this Monday, I'm finally changing my life, and then somehow, it's Friday night. And you're lying in bed watching glow-up videos, instead of actually glowing up. So no, this is not an overnight transformation. This is a realistic reset. A soft reset. A let me slowly fix my life without hating myself reset. And this is exactly how you become that girl in 2026. Rule 1, clean your space, before skincare. Before routines. Before buying cute planners you'll use for 2 days, look around your room. Most of us are trying to build a dream life on top of a mess. And then we wonder why everything feels so overwhelming. For the next 2 days, just do 3 things. Make your bed. Clean your floor. Fix your desk. That's it. We're not filming a cleaning documentary. Wash your hair. Change your bedsheets. Trim your nails. And please, clean your phone case. Your phone touches your face all day long. Nobody talks about this enough. Throw away empty bottles, expired products, random papers, things you keep saving for later. If you haven't touched it in a year, it's probably not part of your future. And here's a trick. Put on one playlist while you clean. When the playlist ends, you stop. Small deadlines work better than waiting for motivation. Appearance glow up. Here's the truth. That girl in 2026 isn't always the prettiest girl in the room. She's the girl who looks put together. Stop doing 12-step skincare routines you quit after 4 days. Morning, cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. Night, cleanser, moisturizer. Done. Most glow-ups come from sleeping earlier, drinking more water, and keeping your hands off your face. Quick beauty hack. Wrap an ice cube in a clean cloth and gently press it on your face for a few seconds every morning. It reduces puffiness and makes your skin look instantly fresh, and hair changes everything. Learn one hairstyle that always saves you. A low bun. Soft curls. A sleek ponytail. Whatever works. Master one. Instead of trying 27 TikTok hairstyles, moisturize after every shower. Especially your hands, elbows, knees, and ankles. Exfoliate once a week, not every day. You're glowing up, not sanding furniture. One more hack. Put a tiny bit of Vaseline on your wrists before applying perfume. It helps the scent last longer. The goal is wow, she smells nice. Not why does she smell like the entire perfume store. Mindset glow up. Now the real glow up. Your mindset. Delete toxic chats. Mute people who drain your energy. Unfollow accounts that make you feel ugly, lazy, or behind in life. Your social media should inspire you, not emotionally attack you. Stop reacting instantly. If you're upset, pause. Give it an hour. Most problems feel smaller when your emotions calm down. That calm, steady energy, that's what confidence actually looks like. And speaking of confidence, here's something nobody told me. Confidence isn't walking into a room thinking everyone likes me. Confidence is walking into a room knowing, even if they don't, I'll be okay. Pretty is cute. But being smart and calm under pressure, that's elite. Write down only 3 important tasks every day. Not 50. Just 3. Study for 25 minutes, take a break, and repeat. And remember, even 10 minutes of studying counts. Low energy progress is still progress. For your digital life, delete blurry selfies, old screenshots, and photos you'll never use. Seriously, why do we all have screenshots from 3 years ago? Move social media to the second page of your phone. Keep your first screen calm, notes, calendar, music, reminders. Your phone affects your brain more than you think. Social glow up. That girl in 2026 doesn't beg for attention. She doesn't chase people who clearly don't care. She knows when to speak, and when silence protects her peace better. Smile more. Say hi first sometimes. Compliment people genuinely. Small interactions build your confidence faster than you'd ever expect. And before you go, imagine a random Tuesday in 2026. Your room isn't perfect, but it's peaceful. Your skin isn't perfect, but you're taking care of it. Your life isn't perfect, but you're handling it better than before. And for the first time in a long time, you trust yourself, not because you became a completely different person. So start it today. Okay, I will see you in next video. Make sure to subscribe and join our little glow up corner, because here, we're not chasing perfection. We're building better habits, more confidence.